All right, just got in from KemiMoto, my rear view mirror for the Polaris Ranger 1000. I'll list below the years and models that it fits. It looks like, I opened it up, it's just got an extremely simple way of mounting this, so I wanted to show you that. I wanted to show you how durable this is. So, it was in a box that was in an envelope that was bubble wrapped, so it's well protected. They did an incredible job of packaging this up, and the shipping speed was second to none. So I appreciate that. When I order something, I expect it to get there quick. This did. I was extremely satisfied with how quick it got there. You're going to need two tools to install this on the Polaris Ranger 1000. Again, I'll tell you the other makes and models that it has, but the first thing I noticed was how heavy this mirror was. I thought, my goodness, how can a mirror be that heavy? Second thought was, that's incredible. The amount of stability that I'm going to have so it's not vibrating around. If you get too cheap of one, or just a company that doesn't put a lot of thought and design into their mirrors, you're going to have one that's constantly bouncing around. It's not going to be useful for looking out of it because it's going to be vibrating around so bad. So this mirror here, you can kind of see the angles of it here. Incredible sleek design. Very, very low profile, just an awesome mirror all the way around. You're gonna need 2 Allen wrenches to install this mirror here. You're gonna need a 4mm Allen, you're gonna need a 5mm Allen. So extremely simple. Before we even hold it up to the frame there, I'm gonna go ahead and loosen the 2 4mm Allens. They're the smaller of the 3 Allens here. Just gonna take it completely off, but you wanna make sure that you keep those screws and washers handy because you're gonna need them here in a bit. So take one screw off. We're gonna have to remove that second one completely. Again, just making sure you don't lose those washers. I'm gonna position the camera now so that you're able to see exactly what I'm doing, a little bit closer view. All right, you can see there, we've got both screws off. We've got this second plate here completely disassembled. Now what we're able to do is to hold that up there, and then this is just gonna sit right underneath of there. So we're gonna find the center here. The nice thing about this mirror is you can still use your windshield, your OEM Polaris windshield or something similar. You know how they kind of sit down into this rail here. You're still able to use those while using this mirror. So it tucks up in there nicely. Now we're able to snug these up as soon as we get it centered. On mine, and I think most of the other models there, will have a bracket right in the center here that I think you can put a Polaris mirror, which is going to run you about 3 times the price of these. Polaris has a mirror mount right here already, so that'll tell you the center of your Ranger there, but you can move it wherever you want. It'll go anywhere on this entire rail. In order to snug these up, we keep this one loose so you can see it's really wobbly now. We're able to snug these up because we can move this mirror around. So once we get these snugged up, then we're going to take our 5mm Allen here, and we're going to snug up this other bolt that's back behind here. It's important that you do this, otherwise this mirror is going to rattle off. Now, snugging this up doesn't mean we can't move our mirror. There's still a ball joint, and behind there we're able to move this mirror to wherever we need it. But it's tight enough to where wherever we get it, to where we want to leave it there, it's not going to move. So the vibration of the Ranger isn't going to cause any issues there. It is good to go. I want to show you what it looks like close up. All right, you can see the mirror there coming around. There's our 5mm Allen from the front there. You come around to the back side. There is our mirror from the front. So you see our 2 4mm Allens there up top. And that is the rear view mirror on the Polaris Ranger 1000. This will also fit other years and models. I'll make sure and put those in the specifics below. If you guys need this mirror, I'll put a link below, as well as some of the other products from KemiMoto. I have had incredibly good luck with a lot of their product. Happy with the service, happy with the shipping time. They do great work. So make sure you keep them in mind when you're looking at your next power sports equipment that you are needing. So thanks for watching.